Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Suci Damayanti. My student ID number is 4414-19002. And I'm from is Chemistry Education Class B. And I am from the Department of Chemistry and Chemical Educational Study Program in Gorontalo State University. I am from in Group 4, and here I will present Module 3 with the title Alumina Extraction from Wood. The next is Objective. Study the extraction of metal oxidized from wood and characterize compounds produced by FCIR. Extraction is a chemical separation technique for separating of with drawing one or more components or compounds or analytes from a sample using certain appropriate solvents. So, the basic principle of separating the mixture by extraction is the difference in the solubility of the substance in the solvent. There are two types of solvents, polar solvents and non-polar solvents. There are several factors that affect the extraction process, namely the type of solvents, the number of dissolved compounds and extraction, and the speed of extractions. The solvent used in extraction must be selective. It can only extract the desired active compound. Heating and duration of stirring also affect the result of the extraction process. The next is methods, experimental tools and materials. Tools category 1 is beaker glass, measuring cup, watch glass, desiccator, spray bottle, glass funnel, measuring flask, spatula, glass stirrer, Erlenmeyer, and reagent bottle. And category 2 is magnetic stirrer, analytical balance, hot plate, foam hot, oven, and distillation apparatus. The next is materials. General materials is dry mud, distilled water, universal pH indicator paper, tap water, tissue, filter paper, and washing soap. And specific material is KUH, HCl, and KBr. The next is experimental work scheme. In method 1 is STAR. Take 2.5 gram of dried mud that has been calcined and places it in a beaker 50 ml. Then add 15 ml of 2 molar NaOH solution. Stirring with a magnetic stirrer for 30 minutes and separate the sediment with filter paper and transfer the filter to a 50 ml beaker. In produce is brownish yellow filtrate, and the next is add to a molar HCl to pH 8. Use universal pH indicator paper. Have the solution 70 degrees Celsius to form a precipitate, and then cool the solution to room temperature and separate the precipitate format. And procedure is precipitate. The next is wash the sediment with distilled water until the pH of the water is neutral washing, and then the precipitate is heated in an oven at 110 degrees Celsius to a constant weight, and record the final sediment mass obtained the analysis with FCIR. The next is 0.1622 and the finish. The next is method 2. The first is STAR, and take 2.5 gram of calcined dried mud and place it on a 50 ml beaker, and then add 15 ml of 2 molar HCl solution.
If you don't start a conversation.
Cover the beaker with a watch glass, stir and heat the solution with a magnetic stirrer for 30 minutes and foam hot. Separate the sediment with filter paper, then transfer the filter to a 50 ml beaker. The product is the bright yellow filtrate solution. And add 2 molar NaOH to pH 3. Use universal pH indicator paper and separate the precipitate format when the filtrate added 2 molar NaOH to pH 8. The next is precipitate. In wash the sediment with distilled water until the pH of the water is natural washing, and then the precipitate is added in oven at 1010 degrees Celsius to a constant weight, and record the final sediment mass obtained the analysis with DFT-IR. And produce is 0.093 grams and finish. The next is discussion. Before carrying out the extraction process, the red mood sample was prepared by calcination. After the red mood is filtered through a sieve. After the preparation process, red mood is obtained, which is lighter in color and smoother in texture. The function of heating and sieving is to reduce the water content, remove the content odor and mineral in the mood and organic impurities contained in it, and increase the surface area of the red mood so that it can accelerate the reaction in the next process. Silica and alumina will dissolve in alkaline condition as sodium silicate and sodium aluminate with a constant mass of 37, 23, 47 grams. Alumina is precipitated by adding HCl to pH 8, which is the optimum pH for aluminium precipitation. Aluminium oxide is soluble in NaOH, while the impurities are insoluble. Impurities can be separated through a filtering process. The main impurities in the mood bauxite usually consist of SiO2, Fe2O3, and TiCO2. Metal impurities can be removed by the precipitation method by adding NaOH. When 2.5 gram of dry mood plus 15 ml of 2 molar NaOH and stirred for 30 minutes will produce a brown mixture and a precipitate will form. Then filtrate using filter paper and produce a brownish yellow filtrate color. Then the filtrate plus HCl 2 molar. There is a color change from brownish yellow to fade yellow because the yellow stick to the filter paper and a precipitate is formed. The final result is pure aluminium oxide with a constant mass of 0.1622. Method 2. In method 2, the solvent used is HCl. The addition of HCl to the dry mood will dissolve, while the silica will remain in the mood. Alumina in red mood will easily dissolve in HCl, both in high concentrated and low concentrated. The reaction that occur are the reaction that occur between this aluminum oxide with HCl with procedure AlCl3 salts which tend to be acidic. When 2.5 gram of dry mood plus 15 ml of 2 molar HCl and stir for 30 minutes will produce procedure, a brown mixture and precipitate will form. Then filtered using filtered paper and procedure, color yellow filtered color. Then the filtered plus 2 molar NaOH. There is a color change from clear yellow to fade yellow, and precipitate is formed. The final result is pure aluminum oxide with a constant mass of 0.093 grams.
If you don't start a conversation.
The next is conclusions. Is from the alumina extraction experiment from the mud that have been carried out. It can be concluded that the red mud or soil contains minerals in the form of silica and aluminium. Aluminium has an oxide in the form of alumina, which is amphoteric and can be soluble in alkaline or acid solvent. And the result of the alumina extraction experiment in a method 1 obtained a constant mass of 0.1622 grams, and method 2 obtained a constant mass of 0.093 grams.